Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what's left of the Upper Harbor Terminal in Minnesota. As you can see, they have started to tear the site down, and in the first clip you can still see some of the salt domes were actually still up, because we had tried to explore this place in the past, but there was actually a homeless village inside the complex, so we didn't get to check it out. I'm also going to show you what's to come of the site, because there's been some planning for some time on what the city was going to do with the site. The plan includes housing, a 20-acre park, and an outdoor music venue managed by First Avenue. There was some backlash from the community when the plan was proposed, but it looks as though the city has given them a green light on demolishing it and rebuilding and going along with their plans.
Anticipate that this will pass.
The scheduled action at Minneapolis City Hall was a vote, not a hearing, but protesters wanted to be heard.
The plan doesn't lay out enough for the residents.
The plan in which the city council sees mountains of possibility. This is the site north of downtown the city of Minneapolis has long eyed for development. Several blocks along the Mississippi River that once served as a shipping terminal for barges, 48 acres in all, that would be transformed into hundreds of housing units, stores, and office space, with a possible hotel and outdoor music venue featuring riverside seating for up to 10,000 people.
This project has significance for North Minneapolis, a portion of the city that has traditionally not seen investment that other parts have seen.
But opponents argue the development could drive up rents and property taxes, chasing North Minneapolis residents from their homes.
Development projects make developers rich and push people out of those neighborhoods.
Fletcher. Aye.
By unanimous vote, the council approved the project in concept, before opponents turned their backs on the council in protest.
We're not anti-development, we're anti this development.
Just one step in the process, with more meetings and protests to come.
Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.